If the service dog. Now I'm opening the book for you.
I am a service dog.
Very good, Pradyun. Very. Next page. Abir, you can read next. Continue. Please read. I didn't.
I didn't know what that means, but it
Meant.
was something special.
Yes. I didn't know what that meant, but it was something special. So he's a service dog for a person who cannot see with the eyes.
Blank space, right? So I want to create as if he is in a wizardy place. So for that, I will go to the next button. Can you see there is one more button just besides this cat symbol, right? This will allow me to create background. So I'll click here and I'll choose a background. So I'll go down and there is a wizard house. So I'll just take wizard's house. So you can see here is a witch house. So I'm taking a witch house. So now it feels as if in the correct place, right?